A Lock Miter bit as only Microjig can make it. The Lock Miter joint is known for making strong posts, columns, and similar projects. But it's never been an easy bit to set up, until now. The bit always has to be set to the exact center point of the stock, and only our bit has the center finding platform to take the guesswork out of setup. It's designed specifically to work with our FitFinder half gauge to rapidly set the correct height for the stock being milled, but it will work with virtually any height gauge. With the bit height correctly set, the fence is adjusted until it meets the stock and the bit. The patent-pending center-finding platform on our bit makes it easy to get the best fit the first time. Our FitFinder Lock Miter Bit features exclusive built-in glue wells for better fitting joints. These provide space at the bottom of the grooves, so excess glue won't hold the joint open. Fewer clamps, less fuss, and a better fit. Look for Microjig's FitFinder Lock Miter Router Bit at your favorite retailer or on microjig.com.